Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna start new series. So as you guys read the title, so this video is all about how I edit my photos in Lightroom. So this is the basic tutorial for the Lightroom series. So in this Lightroom series you will know I edit my photos in Lightroom. So this is the basic beginner level tutorial. So let's having said that, so without any further ado, so let's get started. Let's go to the screen. So let me show you how I edit my photos in Lightroom. So here it is. So now you can see, as you can see, this is my Lightroom. So this is my Lightroom mobile. You can install on your Android or your iPhone. So if you are using Windows, so you can also install on Windows desktop PC. So here it is. You can see this is the image. This is the image that I have taken in 2021. So this is the old picture. That's the raw image that I have taken. So this is the edited final version. So let me show you how I edit like this. Start with a light setting. First you need to set exposure, like you need to set exposure according to your picture quality. So then I set contrast -100, highlight -53, shadow +30, white plus black -20. Now you need to set color grading and color mixing. First you need to set temperature and a tint part, so that will enhance your photo. Tint should be +32, vibrance should be +68. Set the saturation to 10. Now set the texture, clarity, vintage and midpoint, and also set roundness, feather and highlight, and further on gain should be by default. And then you need to set sharpening, radius and detail and masking. This is the important. And noise reduction, you need to set your noise reduction and color noise reduction. And lastly you need to enable lens correction and chromic effect. So here it is. So this is the final output. So now you can see this is the different. So this is by default and this is the output. So now you can check how different is this. So hope you guys like this video. So if you like my editing video, so do comment, and I'll make it more video like this.